Right, this one's going to be a lot harder. So are you ready? I don't want to be diving in after you. Go on. Go on. Take your time, remember. Well done. You've seen it, yeah? Good boy. Remember, it's a long swim. Take your time. Well done. Good boy. Good boy. He's that calm. He even has a slow look around to see where I am. Well done. Are we going to get a trademark? Not today. Maybe at the top. Nope, not today. Well done. Super. Tough finish. Yes, shake. Well done, bud. Here you go. There you go. Well done. Do you want to go again? Push. Oh. You ready? 3, 2, 1.